We're going to make a Chinese food classic and a Southern California classic, orange chicken, and we're going to use our sweet orange marmalade to make the sauce, and it's super easy. Take 2 teaspoons of finely minced or grated and peeled ginger and put it in your bowl. And then you will take 3 cloves of garlic, and a rough conversion there is 1 teaspoon per clove. Now, we're using a special type of garlic here, Christopher Ranch. It's California grown by family farmers in Gilroy, California. That is the garlic capital of California. They even have a festival up there with carnival rides. It's super cool. Then we'll take 3 tablespoons rice vinegar. And 3 tablespoons soy sauce. We're using a special type of soy sauce though. It's called ponzu, which is citrus seasoned soy sauce, if you want a little extra citrus flavor there. And then add 3/4 cup of navel orange marmalade. And then whisk all the ingredients together. And as an additional option for you spice lovers, you can add a 1/4 teaspoon of red crushed pepper flakes. Now in a pan with medium heat, prepare your chicken. I have some pre-breaded here for the demonstration, and we'll have the full recipe on our blog. Cook for 12 to 15 minutes, flipping every 4 to 5 until the chicken is browned and cooked through. After that amount of time, go ahead and pour in the sauce and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, stirring frequently until the sauce thickens and glazes over the chicken. The lovely thing about this recipe is the usual version starting from fresh oranges requires you to zest and get strips of peel yourself. When you use a marmalade, that's already done for you. The sauteing will allow the sauce to thicken. And what you can't smell, but I can, is the lovely fragrance of the freshness of the ginger, a little bit of the savoriness of the garlic and the soy sauce, and then this citrusy aroma rising up from the pan. It smells absolutely luscious. So orange chicken is one of the most iconic dishes in American Chinese cuisine. Here's a little bit about it. So it was developed by Chef Andy Cao, who was born in Taiwan and worked for Panda Express in Hawaii. He developed this dish in 1987. Panda Express is an outgrowth of Panda Inn, which is based here in Pasadena, not far from where I'm standing here right now. And of course, citrus is front of mind in places like Southern California and in Hawaii too. Andy Cao was reminded of a dish back home in Taiwan made from sour tangerines. The amazing thing about these dishes that Americans call Chinese food is that many of these were developed by Chinese people in the United States using ingredients that they had around them locally. So honey walnut shrimp was developed in the United States, where there was a restaurant nearby, a place where walnuts were grown commercially, for example. And citrus-inspired dishes developed in parts of the country where citrus, and especially really good quality citrus, was grown, such as in Hawaii and in Southern California. Pretty cool. So we're at about 3 minutes now. Come have a look and see the sauce is thickened up nicely. The aroma is incredible, and you've gotten a little bit more of that golden orange color. You will impress your family and friends with this sauce. Now plate and serve with rice. Now let's see how we did. Get a little bit of the sauce here first. The sauce sort of transforms the flavor. You get the warmth and a little bit of the peel of the navel orange. It blends really nicely with the soy sauce and the garlic. Really deepens the flavor. You get a little zap of the ginger in that bite, which is lovely. Really brightens it up. And on the chicken, it's just heavenly. I think we did well here. Easy way to fix a Chinese classic that will impress your family and friends. All using our sweet orange marmalade from Old California Botanicals. Tree ripened, naturally sweet, full of flavor. Keep it zesty.